Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful and elegant video of bottline embroidery designs. All of these could be used for a wide variety of reasons and numbers and design ideas. But before going, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel because with your love and support, we can grow only. So we want our YouTube friends and family members to grow up into a larger number. I would like to request you to help us reach 100K subscribers. So, guys, now let's talk about the usage. You can use these very beautiful patterns of woodland embroidery for designing your dresses like sleeve borders. Like you can use them in a parallel fashion for a hemline design article for designing your neckline. Different stylized borders could be used for the four corner designing of your dupatta, stroller, sari, pallu. You can also use these very beautiful patterns of hand embroidery for making your laces more beautiful and creative and for making your different type of DIY uh, handmade stuffs like hair accessories like hair catch, hair band, hair catchers, and different type of much more stylized ideas and creativities as per your own choices. So all I would recommend you to do watch the video till end so that you can get all the stylish, amazing, and trendy ideas of embroidery. Guys, we try our level best on daily basis to share creativity, beautiful design ideas with you and we never reclaim someone else's work as our own. The basic intent and sharing of design ideas and creativity with you is to share beautiful and latest trendy designs, new creativities with the ones or with the community who likes the art of handwork, hand embroidery, needlework, or thread work. So stay tuned for the more and new upcoming videos. Up till then, guys, take care and thank you so much for your love and support. Keep loving us, keep liking our videos, keep watching our content, and keep supporting us. If you have already subscribed, then subscribers are very important. You can subscribe from as many as other devices so that we could grow up into a large number of YouTube family members. So stay tuned and stay blessed and keep watching our content. Once again, thank you so much.